Hey, what's up guys? It is Automation Week and we have a new video. Today we are talking about AutomatePOD. This is a Chrome extension that allows you to automate the design creation process for your print-on-demand business. So when you pair automating the design creation process with automating the upload process, well, I think you're starting to see the potential here of the full picture when we put it all together. This is a Chrome extension, by the way, so it is pretty darn easy to implement. The tutorial videos are only a few minutes long, and I will of course link to them in the description. I'm going to link to everything you need in the description, including a discount code for 50% off. Pretty sweet deal. But yeah, let's get started and we will cover everything in detail. As I mentioned, it is Automation Week, and I have a link in the description where you'll find all of the resources, the tools that we cover in Automation Week, all the tutorials, and the maximum discount codes that I could get. So that'll be in the description. Also down there, I've got a free weekly print-on-demand giveaway link that you should take advantage of. I mean, completely free. You got nothing to lose. Got an 8-day print-on-demand mini course delivered to you via email. All I need is your email address. I'll send you one lesson a day for 8 days. And I've got a great print-on-demand Facebook group. If you guys would like to join, I would love to have you. All right, we're talking AutomatePOD today. I know, what a clever name, AutomatePOD, and it automates the print-on-demand design creation process. I mean, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna walk you through these steps in order to install and utilize this tool, and it's gonna blow your mind how simple it is. So, step one, all you need to do is install the Chrome extension, and that is available through the website, which is linked to in the description. If you guys have never installed a Chrome extension before, the first thing you're going to need is to make sure you're using Google Chrome web browser. And after that, all you have to do is navigate over to the Chrome web store page and click Add to Chrome. If you've already got it installed, you'll see Remove from Chrome, and you don't want to click that unless you're ready to get rid of it. After you've installed the extension, you'll want to grab a subscription, which I mentioned is 50% off if you use the code in the description for Automation Week. You can't really beat 50%. Well, I guess you could beat 50% off. If you win the print-on-demand giveaway, actually, 2 people will win. They'll be announced this Sunday. They'll receive a free, I believe, month or 2 months. I can double check, but it's at least 1 free month to AutomatePOD. So make sure you take advantage of the giveaway, and shout out to everybody that sponsors those weekly giveaways. But yeah, for everybody else, 50% off, not a bad deal. Also, you can just sign up for 1 month, run it a bunch of times, get thousands of designs created, and then just cancel. No harm done, right? So anyways, make sure you have a subscription because you will need a license in order to utilize the Chrome extension. And there's the code, by the way. Forgot I had a slide in here. So the code is Automate Week, and you get 50% off. Step 3, I recommend checking out the tutorial videos on the website. I will link to them in the description as well. But there's just a navigation item called tutorials, and there's a couple short videos linked to on the website that yours truly recorded, and I walk you through exactly how to utilize this tool to get the full benefit from it, including, by the way, you can use multiple variables in your designs. You're not limited to just one, although typically I only use one, if I'm being honest. Speaking of variables, what are these variables you're talking about, Ryan? These are like pieces of text that the Chrome extension will swap in and out the values of. And we actually get to feed a list of values that we want swapped in and out. For instance, if we want to make some designs related to people that love birds, bird watchers, maybe it's their favorite breed of bird, well, you can come to the website and there's, I don't know, 15 or so, maybe even 20 variable templates already built out for you, right? And you're more than welcome to make your own templates, but at least you have these as a jumping off point. So you're not going to have like some buffer between you getting started, right? And you know what I mean? It won't be because of the variable templates. At least as long as you download these, they're pre-made, you'll be able to utilize them right away. So we have things like bird breeds, cat breeds, various collectors items, collections, dogs, fish, hobbies, horses, jobs. We have a couple lists of various jobs, names, male, female, etc., rabbits, reptiles, amphibians, USA states, years and ages, which are great for like birthday shirts. So lots of potential. All right. And if you can't think of ways to utilize this, go to your research tool of choice, type in birthday shirt, and I'm sure a couple of them you'll see not only turning X year, born in, turning 4, born in 2018. You know what I mean? You can kind of take it a step further with these tools. Not that you couldn't do it manually, but it would take some time. You know what I mean? If you really want to build all these out and scale out a nice design template. All right, step 5 is design. You've got everything you need. You've got the Chrome extension installed. You've got the variable templates that you may want to utilize. Even if you wanted to create your own, make sure you have that queued up and ready to go. And then head on over to your print-on-demand design application of choice. So AutomatePOD currently supports both Canva and Photopea, both of which are web browser-based design applications. As you probably guessed, for a Chrome extension to work, it needs, because it's tied to your web browser, pretty much means we're going to need to be designing in our web browser in order to utilize it. Well, that means you can use Canva or Photopea currently. Canva is extremely popular with a lot of print-on-demand sellers for obvious reason. If you guys have never used it, it's got just a bunch of cool functionality. It's also, I think what's cool, or what people probably like most about it, is it's very intuitive. If you've never used Canva, I'll put a link in the description. I believe they have like a free trial you can use. I don't remember how long, it might have been a week. And yeah, they've got a lot of like built-in graphic resources. It's just very user-friendly. If you're new to print on demand, it's it's definitely worth considering as a jumping off point. Also then, well, as you can see here, I've got a video overlaid that it hooks right into Canva. You set your text layer as long as it's VAR1 at a minimum. That's for the first variable and all uppercase. As soon as you launch that Chrome extension, it's going to rifle through all of the variables that you uploaded and download. It'll swap in and out the words and download them for you. And you'll have a folder in your computer wherever your downloads are stored with the finished product. It also supports Photopea. I never know if I should be calling it Photopea or Photopea. Either way, whatever you want to call it, it's almost like some team of developers got together and recreated Adobe Photoshop in a web browser and then made it completely free, which I'm all for. If you use AutomatePOD in combination with Photopea, by the way, it actually runs faster than Canva for a number of reasons. So if you're all about speed or saving money or both, Photopea is a great option, because while Canva you'll have to pay monthly for, Photopea is completely free for as long as I've known it existed, and hopefully for the foreseeable future, Photopea will remain free. But as you can see here, it hooks right in and downloads your designs into a folder, and before you know it, it'll be done. It'll flash a little pop-up saying, okay, we're done, and you'll have a folder on your computer with all of your finished designs ready to be uploaded, which you can do manually, or go ahead and go to the Automation Week playlist on YouTube, or the link in the description to my website, and I'll include the video tutorial with each link to the tool, and you can see how I automate my print-on-demand uploads to the various print-on-demand marketplaces using Merch Titan's upload automation, which works great in conjunction with AutomatePOD. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions, let me know there too. And please drop a like and subscribe. The YouTube algorithm loves when you do that. Before I leave, I wanted to remind you that I did write a full print-on-demand course, by the way. The last module in the course is all about automation. It's more in-depth, like very in-depth tutorials, including any like extra things I can provide you as far as like value. Sometimes it's upload spreadsheets and whatnot that are, built out to basically make it as easy as possible to queue those up. Things like that. You can find more in the description, guys. But thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate you and your time, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.